Hello Mzansi. Today is Friday, April 1st, 2022 and here is Lifestyle Highlight. Bruce Willis, actor fed lines through earpiece, misfired gun, on set. Following the news of American actor Bruce Willis's retirement from acting, crew members who've worked with him in recent times have opened up about how his condition has influenced his acting. The iconic action hero actor was diagnosed with aphasia, which impacts a person's language skills and can cause major issues with reading, writing, listening and speaking. Those affected may use words in the wrong order. New photos have emerged of the 67-year-old star wearing an earpiece. According to Metro, the images were taken while shooting American Siege, which was released earlier this year. Actress and reality star Lola Kent also shared an incident with the LA Times, discussing the period during which she worked with Bruce Willis on the 2020 film Hard Kill. The actress alleges the die-hard actor fired a prop gun prematurely on the wrong cue on 2 occasions. But according to Entertainment Weekly, Randall Emmett, Kent's ex and a producer on the film, denied the incident took place. The film's weapons master also reportedly denied it. Film director Jesse V. Johnson, who has worked with Bruce Willis decades before as a stuntman, said that he also noticed some changes in the actor. He said, "It was clear that he was not the Bruce I remembered." Johnson more recently worked with Willis as the director on White Elephant, which has not been released yet. "We are all Bruce Willis fans, and the arrangement felt wrong and ultimately a rather sad end to an incredible career, one that none of us felt comfortable with." Jesse V. Johnson. This is Leah for the South African.